Hello students. So this is Geography chapter 5, Major Domain of the Earth, and today I will this is the third part of this chapter. Two videos I already uploaded regarding this chapter. So I suggest to you that you should also see that videos. So in this video I will tell you about the hydrosphere, that the area of the earth that covered by water, that part of the earth is known as hydrosphere. So what is hydrosphere? Water cover a very big area of the earth's surface, and this area is called hydrosphere. So wherever is water is available and in any form, like water available in solid state, water available in liquid state, and also in a gaseous state, so that all these areas where water available in all different three forms, that is the part of hydrosphere. And in liquid form, water is available in ocean, in river, sea, ponds. So all these places will come under hydrosphere. Our earth is also known as blue planet. Why this is known as blue planet? Because 71% of the earth's surface is covered by water. So because of this, when someone see our earth on the space, it's look it's look blue, and because of this our earth is known as blue planet. So before I told you that the earth is known as a blue planet because it has huge amount of water. So you can easily think it that every person have enough water, so there should be no water scarcity, but it is not true. Despite being a blue planet, the people on this earth face water scarcity. So what is the reason behind it? The reason is that still more than 97% of earth water is found in the ocean, and that water is very salty, so human cannot use. And a large portion of rest of the water is in the form of ice sheets and glacier or under the ground, and very small portion is available as fresh water for human consumption. So that water that is easily accessible for human, that is too small, and but in comparison to that, the population is very huge. So because of this, there is a imbalance between demand and supply, between the water availability and a number of the population. So because of this, people face shortage of water. Now oceans. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. The water, all these oceans are interconnected, and the water of these oceans always in movement. The five major oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So look at the map. The location of these oceans you should mark. Okay. Number one is Pacific Ocean. This Pacific Ocean you will find here and here also. ठीक है, आप इसको दो ओशन मत समझिएगा. दिस इज द वन ओशियन. आप जानते हैं कि हमारी अर्थ कैसी है, spherical है, and the map that you are seeing on the screen, it is formed on a flat surface. So flat surface पर में जो आपको ऐसा दिख रहा है, but actually the Pacific Ocean is one. The second ocean is Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. The third ocean is Indian Ocean. The fourth ocean is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean location is here. This is Southern Ocean. The fifth ocean is Arctic Ocean. This is the location of Arctic Ocean. So these are the five major oceans. अब एक एक करके सारे ओशंस के बारे में देखेंगे. नंबर वन इज पैसिफिक ओशन. पैसिफिक ओशियन इज द लार्जेस्ट ओशियन. ये ओशियन सबसे बड़ा ओशियन है, एंड इट इज ऑलमोस्ट कवर 1/3 of the earth. In this ocean, the deepest point of the earth is found, that is Mariana Trench. This is the deepest point of the earth and it is found in Pacific Ocean. This ocean is surrounded by the continent, that is North America, South America, Asia and Australia. Number second, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, and this ocean is surrounded by the continent, that is North America, South America, Europe and Africa. And this ocean is the busiest ocean. ये ओशियन सबसे ज्यादा व्यस्त है, मतलब यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा होता है. किस चीज का ट्रैफिक होगा? शिप का. ठीक है, लोडेड शिप होती है, एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री के बीच में जो ट्रेड होता है, एक जगह से चीजों को लोड करके दूसरे कंट्री में पहुंचाने के लिए जो है ओशियन मींस ये जो सी रूट का भी यूज करते हैं. तो अटलांटिक ओशियन में बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेड होने की वजह से दिस ओशियन इज द बिजिएस्ट ओशियन. Number 3 is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, you should know that this ocean get its name on the name of a country and the name of the country is India. India के नाम पर ही इसको Indian Ocean बोला गया. And this Indian Ocean is surrounded by Africa, Asia and Australia. Number 4 is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean almost encircle Antarctic continent. Number 5 is Arctic Ocean. This Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surround the northern pole. So these are the some brief knowledge about each oceans. Remember this.